static in the air. A current starts to flow. Before a word is spoken, our souls begin to know. A warmth begins to blossom, a feeling deep inside. The moment that you're near me, there's nowhere left to hide. Kapag dumampi ang iyong katawan sa akin, nagsisimula ang isang symphony. Isang bugso ng dalisay na damdamin na naghuhugas sa lahat ng aking mga kasalanan. Tumahimik na lang ang mundo, ang mahalaga ay ang pakiramdam na ito. Isang koneksyon na napakalalim, hindi may kakailang totoo. When your body touches mine, a symphony begins. A rush of pure emotion washing over all my sins. The world just fades to silence. All that matters is this feel. A connection so profound, so undeniably real. The space between us shrinks. A whispered breath you take. A promise in your eyes. A journey we will make. Goosebumps on my skin, a tingle down my spine. This magnetic pull is strong, a love that's truly mine. Kapag dumampi ang iyong katawan sa akin, nagsisimula ang isang symphony, isang bugso.